Side of Atlantic City, there's a location, a pizza place that has some amazing food, and it's got some good history as well. And it's owned and operated by Chef Tommaso Penza. That is two brothers from Italy. This is a restaurant and gourmet pizza place located in Galloway, New Jersey, and its local history is centered around the Penzos family. Now, the family brought their culinary tradition and described it more as a Naples quality to South Jersey. This restaurant's history is tied with a tradition of fresh quality ingredients while making these traditional dishes. Now, the name Two Brothers from Italy is used in relation to other restaurants around the country, but they use it a little bit differently here because they do add the Italian restaurant and gourmet. Now, the location here in Galloway, New Jersey, has decent ratings with a 4.4 out of 5. I went there, I grabbed myself a lunch special for right around $11 out the door. A delicious lunch special. You can't even eat all this, you got to wrap up the half of the sandwich. But this is what we're looking at here at Two Brothers Pizza in Galloway. You've probably been there. They've been around for many years. And we're going to talk about that history here located, I would almost say Pomona, New Jersey at that point, right on the border. You have some even lower lunch specials, like a two pizza special for right around $6.50, maybe even a little bit lower than that. I just wasn't in the mood for more pizza. That meatball special sounded pretty good, and it was. I like the artwork they have floating around. Now, they did have a different layout, at least in the early 90s. I know this place has been around, or not the early 90s, but the late 90s. I don't know. I would time frame it around that mid 90s, and they've been around for quite some time. They probably changed their sign on top because I think they did have a different sign that was more Two Brothers, and now it's more of an Italian restaurant, making sure that it highlights that. You could sit down. I think they do have wine as well. It looked like they did, or maybe there was some wine that people brought over. It was definitely a great place to get a lunch, but more importantly, they got great dinners too. You could see the two brothers. I suspect that it's these two right here, at least based on the characters on the walls here. If you've been here, if you have any history, please let us know. We'd love to come back. We got decent mic systems. We would do an interview with these two brothers and learn a little bit more about this historical Galloway pizzeria. And we've seen a lot of them come and go, but this has held through the test of time, and they got great pasta as well. I got to go back and try their pasta. Their wings look good too. It makes you wonder how this place doesn't get more popular. When I went there, it was pretty quiet. Let's get them on the map. Let's talk about it. And that's going to be our video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. And let us know any other place you think we should visit.